Our t-shirt heat press machine. As you can see, it's a device. It turns all the way around like this, okay, in order for you to put t-shirts on. You can pull it out like that also. This is padding so it doesn't hit the metal itself, yeah. This is the mask that we done earlier, and we'll show you how to print a t-shirt also, because you pull out the bottom. It's got a slide on effect. Once you pull it out, you'll be able to put your garments round the side so it can work. So first of all, we have to heat up our heat press. Now, a heat press is very, very, very hot. It goes up to 400 or 500 degrees. So always make sure you wear your heat gloves. Now, because I'm experienced, I don't have to wear heat gloves, but please, please, please be safe. Never touch this and never put it on hot surfaces, because as I said, this is very hot. Now, first of all, you turn on your heat press. So you move your mask out of the way, because the last thing you need is your mask to heat up. So right now, you can see your heat press is beginning to warm. Now, to do a normal t-shirt design, you'll do 180 degrees for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Now, with this, because this is a funny material, this mask, it may burn quicker. So I would say that you would do this machine at least, I'll say 100, to be on the safe side, 100 degrees for 5 seconds, just to be on the safe side. And here is a Teflon sheet, and that's for the heat, so it doesn't burn your material whatsoever. Okay, so again, here you can set it to Fahrenheit, Celsius, shows the time, meaning how long you want to put it on for, and it shows the heat getting hotter and hotter very quickly. Okay, so we'll put the Teflon sheet down first, and it goes both sides, and it can spin around. Already, this is extremely hot. Always use your handles, never touch there because it's very hot. Okay, so put your Teflon sheet. Here's your badges. So here's the badge that we done with the plastic, and here's one without the plastic, so we can just see how it turns out when it goes on. Always make sure the garment stays flat. Turn it round like this, push it in like this, then that is it. You wait for it to heat up, then you can press away. As I said, it's very hot. So we're not going to get it up to 180 degrees just because we don't want it to burn the material that we're doing. So we're going to leave that to get to 100, and then it goes.
So we're back when it reaches 100? Or should I just keep it on there?
Back when it reaches 100. With the heat press, this also comes off the runner completely. So if you needed it off the runner, you'll just pop it here, pop your garment on there nicely, get it, pop it back on the runner, make sure it's leveled and evened out correctly when you are putting it on the runner. And this is movable. It does turn, and you can see on the bottom of the runner, you can see there where it's left oil marks, just so that it can move better. So here you can see the Fahrenheit's gone completely high, okay, to 116 degrees. So what we'll do is we'll just adjust the seconds here.
How do you set the temperature?
If you go to set, yeah, and then you'd go up and down.
Oh, okay.
Then the temperature will set. Okay, so we're going to do this for 5 seconds. So hold the lever, push it down, and you go 1. This is a timer here also. 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, the temperature's not getting any higher because I've stopped it. So we lift it up. See the timer's on, it tells us exactly when to take it off. Now, as you can see, now how we've done this is we've put the part that needs the plastic on and the experiment part that we didn't put plastic on, and now you're going to see the difference as to why you always keep the plastic on your vinyl. Without the plastic, it burns completely, because it has to have the protective cover on it. Okay, now this side you can see it hasn't been burnt. Okay, how you do it is you pick it a little bit just to see it's all been stuck on nicely. So as I said, with experience you'll know, but with a material like this, because you don't want it to burn, 5 seconds was enough for that material to work.
So if I was doing it and I lifted it, and when I go to lift the plastic off of it, it was lifting.
Right.
Can I then put it back again?
If it's lifting, so say for instance I lifted it like that happens a few times. So that's a good question. When you lift it like that, if you feel that some's still going, you put it down, you put the sheet back on, and then you put it down for another number of seconds. Always turn your heat press off straight away. This is now steaming hot. That's why it says caution. Steaming hot. You cannot touch this machine whatsoever, and make sure you haven't got children around. So this is how to work the combo heat press machine. Okay, this can be bought on eBay as well. Link will be in the bottom of the bio, and we'll show you now how to print on t-shirts and hoodies.